All staff members are able to submit ideas for Polaris enhancements to the Idea Lab. This 2-minute tutorial will show you the process for submitting an idea and provide some tips to help you create an effective submission. First, log into the Idea Lab. Access the Polaris Always Open space, which you may do so by clicking Go To, Challenges, or in the Open Challenges widget. Click the Post Idea tab to open a submission form. Enter a title. This is the first thing users will see about your idea. The title should highlight or succinctly summarize what your idea is about. Next, select an image. You can use one of their stock images or upload your own custom image. Again, the image can help grab users' attention or help them remember your idea. Select the appropriate category for your idea. Which area will this benefit or affect the most? The idea description states the problem and how your idea solves it. The idea value is where you can elaborate on the benefits of your idea. Be specific here. Details about how frequently this issue occurs, how much staff time can be saved, or what the impact on patrons will be are always helpful. You can also optionally add tags to your idea. Innovative provides a list of recommended tags. Please see the video description for a link to the document. If you need to pause at any time and want to work on your idea later, select Save Draft, or you can click Publish and make your idea live. This has been a 2-minute tutorial on how to submit an idea to the Idea Lab. If you have any questions, please email help@ccslib.org.